Holly's job is to minimize the overtime hours you currently spend on manual administrative work by automating client conversations for you, particularly incoming calls. When clients call, most are calling to schedule with you. The challenge is how to filter them to the right place automatically so we can lighten or zero out your manual callback load. This is why we provide the magic number. This number has your local area code and includes a phone tree, or IVR. For those clients, new and existing, calling to schedule with you, they will be directed to press 1 for Holly to take over and schedule them directly onto your calendar 24/7. For those calling to speak with you directly or about something else, they are directed to press 2 and are forwarded to your direct line. Your magic number is pre-configured and ready to use the moment it is provided to you during your account setup. We want this number to be everywhere clients find you and call you. This should become your primary public number. Psychology Today, your website, digital profiles, Google Business, Facebook, you name it. We want all potential and current clients to call this number, saving you from phone tag and opportunity losses. Once you have recorded your audio and tested the call workflow, start embedding. Update your online profiles to include this magic number instead of your current one. Our tutorial center is linked below and can help you with more step-by-step videos, or you can always ask your scheduling specialist. This magic number is the only way to filter clients seamlessly while still giving them an option to feel heard and speak with you. Booking them instantly means they won't go to someone else or change their mind. Plus, it's time to start separating your personal and professional life.